(2022) 2 squash plants, zucchinis. I lost the 2021 battle with the squash vine borers miserably. This year I'm doing 3 things. I'm mounding. As soon as I see something, I'm burying it enough of a stem. And I'm spraying BT, and I got a little cover. There are eggs all over my branches. You can see those little things. I'm not going to pick them off because they come non-stop. So I'm going to come out in the morning, try to fertilize myself, but most of the part for the rest of the day, I'm going to keep this covered. And I'm going to continue mounding, because my theory there is bugs need some kind of oxygen. They don't have lungs and stuff like humans, but they do need oxygen. So if I keep that dirt over there, I don't know how they're going to take that oxygen in. When they put the hole in the side of your stem, there's lots of oxygen around, and most of us don't notice it anyway. So maybe a crazy idea, but we'll see what happens. 2022.